Starting with loops in C programming. So basically there are three types of loops in C programming, that is our for loop, while loop and our do while loop. So for loops is used when we are specified how many times we need to use the loop. If I tell you I'm doing programming in C 100 times, then you will say I'll use for loop because I'm specified the amount of time I need to type it. Here the condition is checked before the loop runs. If my condition is true, then my loop runs. Then comes while loop. If I need to do a statement which runs as long as the condition is true, this is while loop. So if I say while 1 is equals to 1, print hello world, in that condition my while loop will run the statement infinite amount of times, and condition is again checked before the body runs. Now in do while loop, there is that thing. In do while loop, the condition is checked after the body runs. So firstly, the condition will execute itself, and then when it will come back, then it will see if it is true or false. So one condition is run, okay, so one statement is run. So it is best for the situation where the code block must execute at least one, prompting a user for valid input. So yeah, this is all about the types of loops. Now we can start with our this question that I'll just clear this output. Okay, so we need to generate a volume of number from 1 to 10. So we start with our hash include studio.h, and we'll go with our not here, yep, int main, a starting function, starting of the program, and then we'll say int I comma volume, because we need to find the volume of the numbers from 1 to 10, and since we are given specified amount of numbers, we'll be using for loop, of course, right? So we will be using comma, not dot. Yep. Okay, so we say for, and also we will make our volume is equals to 1y, because we'll be using this volume as a storage box. So if it is 1 and I say in my 1 I'll do I into I, so I into 1 is I into I is I square, I into I is I cube. So I cube is cube, and cube is my volume in itself. So we'll say for I. Now this is the basic syntax that we use in our for loops. So I'll say for I is equals to 1, this is my starting point, I less than equals to 10, this is my ending point. So they said you need to start from 1 and end till 10. So I say my I is equals to 1 and my I is less than equals to 10, and then I'll go with my I plus plus, that my I is continuing, I then I plus plus, then 2, then 3, then 4. This is how it continues, and now I write its own bracket. Now if this is the case, then we say volume is equals to I into I into I. This is how we make a cubical form to find the volume, and then we say print f the volume of hash percentage d is equals to percentage d this slash n for new line, comma I comma volume, and we run it. Let's see what are we getting an output. See, we got an output, volume of 1 is equals to 1, 2 is equals to 8, 3 is equals to 27. So this is it. This was our basic for loop, and this was all about loops. In next video we'll cover do while loop and other loop related functions. Thank you.